In this video, let us talk about statistics. Next topic, which is variance, and which is a new topic. So variance we denote with sigma square. Sigma square for continuous frequency distribution variance formula is 1 upon n sigma xi minus x bar whole square, where x bar is mean and xi is class marks, right? So similarly, standard deviation is the square root of this variance, or we can say if we denote it with the help of sigma. Sigma is equal to square root of 1 upon n sigma. This is also called sigma and this is also called sigma. So sigma is equal to square root of 1 upon n sigma xi minus x bar whole square. Both sigmas are different. This sigma denotes standard deviation, this sigma denotes summation, right? So in case of discrete frequency distribution, variance is equal to 1 upon n sigma fi xi minus x bar whole square, and standard deviation is sigma square root of 1 upon n sigma fi xi minus x bar whole square. And let us clear it with the help of some questions. So question number first, exercise 15.2. So exercise 15.2 question number first. So in question number first, it is given that we have to find out mean and variance for the data. So some numbers are given. So mean formula is sum of all observation sigma xi upon n, right? Mean formula x bar is where I is equal to 1 to I n. So sum of xi means 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12. So 4 plus 8 plus 12 divided by 8 is equal to 72. Sum will be 72 upon 8, which is 9, right? So mean is 9. Now just make 3 columns. So the first column will be of xi, second column will be of xi minus x bar. Calculation will be involved in this chapter, so just take care of those calculations. Xi minus x bar whole square. The more you do the practice, the more it will be clear to you. The calculations will be frequent and fast. So 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12, right? Now if I say, now we have xi minus x bar. 6 minus 9 is minus 3, 7 minus 9 minus 2, 1, 3, 13 minus 9 is 4, 4 minus 9 is minus 5, 8 minus 9 is minus 1, 12 minus 9 is 3, right? Xi minus x bar whole square, so square of this. So 9, 4, 1, 9, 16, 25, 1, 9. So xi minus x bar whole square is this. Now variance formula, we all know the sum of all this will be 74. So variance sigma square is equal to 1 upon n sigma xi minus x bar, because the data is continuous, so x bar whole square. So this is 1 upon n. So n value is 8, right? So 1 upon 8 multiplied by summation will be 74. So this is 9.25. So variance for this data is 9.25. So we have to find out mean and variance. So mean and variance are as follows. This is 9.25 variance and mean is 9. Next, second question. So find the mean of first n observation. Find the mean and variance for the first n natural numbers, right? So mean formula is sum of all observation upon number of observation. right? So sum of all observation. So sum of all observation for n natural number. This was there in fourth chapter also, and in this is in binomial expansion also. So sum of all natural numbers can be denoted as n plus 1 upon 2, right? Divided by number of observation is n. So this will be n plus 1 upon 2. So mean is n plus 1 upon 2, right? Mean we have determined. Variance. So variance also we have to determine. Sigma square is equal to 1 upon n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square, right? So xi minus x bar whole square. So we can say this is 1 upon n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar value is n plus 1 upon 2 whole square, right? So which is equal to 1 upon n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi whole square means xi square a square plus minus 2ab. So 2 minus 2ab, right? So if we open this bracket, so 1 upon n will be taken out. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n 2ab. So 2 n plus 1 upon 2 a and b is xi plus 1 upon n sigma xi this n plus 1 upon 2 whole square, right? This we'll get. Now we know that this will be equal to xi square is 1 upon n. Now sum of natural numbers square formula is this n plus 1 2n plus 1, just remember these formulas, divided by 6. This is the formula for natural numbers square of natural numbers, minus n plus 1 upon 2 bracket we'll have n plus 1 upon 2 n plus 1 upon 2 plus n plus 1 upon 2 this whole square divided by 4n, right? So 2 square is 4n, right? Multiply by n. Next we have, so on simplification this will become n to n cancel, this will be n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6 minus n plus 1 whole square divided by 2 plus n plus 1 whole square divided by 4, right? So on further solving this will become n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. On taking n plus 1 common, so this will become 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3 divided by 12. So which is equal to n plus 1 n minus 1 divided by 12, or we can say it is n square minus 1 upon 12. So this is the answer, right? Just pause the video and note down the complete solution. There are some formulas. This formula we use for square of n natural numbers, and this formula we use for sum of n natural numbers. So just remember this. Next we have, find the mean and variance of the for the first 10 multiples of 3. So first 10 multiples of 3 are, first 10 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30, right? These are first 10 multiples. So number of observations is n is 10. So mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of observations. So 3 plus 6 plus up to 30 divided by 10. So when we'll calculate the sum, this will be 165 upon 10, which is 16.5. Now 16.5 is mean. So we have to find out variance. So xi minus x bar, xi minus x bar whole square, right? So xi is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, right? And this xi minus x bar, so 3 minus 16.5 is 13.5 minus, and this will be minus 10.5 minus 7.5 minus 4.5 minus 1.5, 1.5, 4.5, 21 minus 16.5 is 4.5, and this is 7.5, 10.5, and 30 minus 16.5 is 13.5, right? So square of this, so 13.5 square is 182.25, 10.5 square is 110.25, 7.5 square is, there is a technique which is there in my YouTube channel also. You can see how to find out square of these numbers. So 7.5 square is this will be 56.25. 4.5 square is 20.25, and this will be 2.25, 2.25, this 20.25, and this is again 56.25, 110.25, and 182.25, right? So when we'll find out the sum, this will be 742.5, right? So variance formula, variance is equal to variance means sigma square, which is equal to 1 upon, this variance formula is 1 upon n sigma xi minus x bar whole square. So 1 upon n means 1 upon 10 multiplied by 742.5, so which is 74.25. So variance is 74.25 and mean is 16.5. So this is our answer, right? Next we have question number 5th. With this question number 4th you can easily do with the help of this question number 5th. So just make columns in this way: xi first column, then fi, then xi, then xi minus x bar, then xi minus x bar whole square, and the last one of fi xi minus x bar whole square, right? Let's make columns in this way. So write down xi. Xi is 92, 93, 97, 98, 102, 104, and this 109, right? Fi is 3232633, 3232633. Sum of fi is 22. Now fi xi, 92 multiplied by 3 is 276, 93 multiplied by 2 is 186, 97 multiplied by 3 is 291, 98 multiplied by 2 is 196, 102 multiplied by 6 is 6 to 12, 2 and 1, 616. 104 multiplied by 3 is 1, 2, 3, 312, and this is 327. So sum of all this is 2200, right? So mean formula x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi upon sigma fi I is equal to 1 to n fi, which is 2200 upon 22, which is 100, right? So mean value is 100. Now xi minus x bar, right? So that means 92 minus 100 is minus 8, minus 7, 3, 2, 2, this is of minus 4 and 9, right? Square of it, so 8 square is 64, 49, 9, 4, 4, 16, 81, right? So fi xi whole square, so 3 multiplied by 64, 192, 98, 27, and 4 multiplied by this 2 is 8, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, 16 multiplied by 3 is 48, 3, 2, 4, 243. Sum of this is 0, and this will be 4, and this 640, somewhere like 640, right? So variance formula, so variance sigma square is equal to, variance formula is 1 upon n sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi minus x bar whole square, which is equal to 1 upon 22 multiplied by 640, so which is equal to 29.09. 29.09. So this is the answer, variance, and this is mean, right? Just pause the video and note down. So in the next video we will talk about further 5 questions, the remaining 5 questions. So thank you for watching it.